All right, hey guys, welcome to another video. Just because we have such a beautiful day. It's winter time, and you know it's I would say almost mid-March at this point, and it's starting to warm up. So I'm really happy. As you guys can see, we're melting. All the snow is finally melting. Go, shoot, melt. Anyway, I wanted to just create a quick video for you guys showcasing this new product that I've been trying out. I haven't used it. I think I tried it once on this car, and I was really happy with it the first time. I wanted to make a video today just showing you what it's like to use something like this type of product. Now, I've never been a firm believer of these types of products just because I believe in the 2-bucket method, at least. You know, when you are cleaning your cars, you know, I don't snow foam, I don't go to that length or anything, but when I'm cleaning my car, I always, you know, be mindful of the type of paint that is that certainly is being cleaned. With that being said, you know, certainly with, I guess, that mindset, you guys would expect that I wouldn't be using any of these products ever. However, I tried this product out the first time and I was so happy with really the clean, and not only the clean, but the lubrication. This is a really easy product to use, and yeah, I was honestly pretty shocked by it. So I guess for the you know, the chance that we're making a video, we actually do have a couple dirty spots in this car. Now, as you can see, we got a little bit of a splash of maybe some road salt or road grime. And then over here we have some dust. So I think that's gonna be a decent before and after. And again, these are lower parts of the car. So this is a very generally, you know, it's a very dirty area and something that you pretty much wanna always wash last. Fortunately for this type of video, we're just only gonna do, you know, the lower or whatever I kind of point out in this video. So I won't be kind of jumping all over the place. It's just gonna keep it nice and concise. The directions do indicate that we need a towel that's damp. I only have dry towels today because I didn't read the directions beforehand, and I figured now I was gonna read them. So I do have 2 towels for today, so that'll make it kind of easy. But yeah, so I'm gonna just kind of spray a little, I guess a liberal amount, just so there's enough on there. But as you guys can see, it sprays kind of as a mist, which is awesome. You know, it doesn't shoot out and, you know, splash everywhere. I hate when products do that, or when sprayers do that. So this is gonna be my towel today. I'm gonna fold it up, and I think I'm just gonna do like I'll fold it twice. So we'll do 2 halves. Gotcha. So what I'm gonna do here is just go right into it. And as you guys can see, oh my God, literally it already, I mean, it's pretty much already clean. And one thing I want to point out too, it's hard to see obviously at the video, I'm just going to kind of explain it to you guys, but this towel is literally just gliding across the surface. Now, it does help if your car is ceramic coated or like waxed or sealed, but for me, I just have a ceramic coating on here, and I don't think I have any top coats. It's just a standard ceramic coating. So now that that's pretty much all, I guess to my eyes, it's clean. I'm not gonna go crazy down here because that's black plastic. That'll scratch, you know, in any situation. It's very, very soft plastic. So the paint I'm not worried about at all because I have used this product once before. And again, it's preferred, use a damp towel. That's most definitely gonna be for kind of that final like wipe down, just to kind of get any excess or any smudging. And after kind of a final buff, guys, check it out. How insane is that? That is one of the, I mean, I'm blown away, and I'm not even, I can't even exaggerate, just because I've never been a believer at all in any of these products. It's, you know, it's very similar to like what a quick detailer does. I've used many actually quick detailers in my time. The only thing is they've never truly cleaned. They kind of just smudge it around, and you know, again, it'll lubricate. It's a very lubricating, you know, I'd say this is on pace with, you know, the lubrication from a quick detailer, maybe a little better just from, you know, my experience just thus far. It's an amazing, easy way to clean. Again, if you show up to a car show and for whatever reason, you know, you find a, you know, if you hit a puddle or whatever it may be, this is the best product to kind of just go right to, just because you don't have to worry about scratching your paint. It does a fantastic job. So let's migrate over to the kind of this lower passenger door side. As you can see, just from maybe the water runs, that there is a little bit of dust. It's not a lot of accumulation. Down here we have some it looks like maybe road grime or some salt splashed up. So just as before, I'm kind of just gonna, I'll do half the door, because I don't think I need to worry about the whole one. I'm gonna be a little liberal again with the I feel like in this type of situation, more product is better. There's probably such a thing as too much product, but I'll be a little mindful of that. So I'm not gonna go for kind of that's I don't need to do that. I'm gonna kind of just do one little quick wipe, maybe another quick wipe, and you can keep kind of folding your towel. I'm just checking my towel each time. As you guys can see, it's a little bit of little bit of dirt on here. I think what I'll do is flip it now. And again, it's a little tough just because in fact, just for the sake of not scratching my door, I'm gonna just do my whole door, because there is a little bit of overspray. It's hard to say kind of where. Now the one thing I wish it did is, and I think with this type of product, it's a little tough. It's hard to kind of see like where it ends up, just because the spray is a little, it's a fine mist, which again, technically I do prefer, but that's just something I wanted to point out. All right, another clean side. Let's get some kind of, I like to kind of clean down just because all the dirt is kind of on the bottom. So if I start at the top, it's not like I'm bringing it up, you know. It is preferred to do this on actually a colder surface as well. I have the sun hitting the car, so I don't know if that's impacting it in a positive or negative way. Yeah, we'll get to buffing. All right, and just like that, after quite a lot of elbow grease, I will admit the directions are not wrong. You really want to use a damp towel. I ended up having a water bottle that I was able to kind of just dab and just kind of buff off a lot of the excess. But yeah, that actually took a lot longer than I was expecting, just because, again, I was trying to just buff it off dry, and you don't want to do that, you know, again, the more you rub, the chances of scratching is just high, and that's no matter even if there is dirt present. Some towels aren't, you know, they may have some ingrained dirt, so you want to obviously agitate less. The damp towel is 100% the way to go. So, as you guys can see, the reflection, I feel like, sort of sells itself. In fact, there's our bottle right yonder. I'm pretty happy with this product. It's definitely going to be my go-to when I'm going to car shows and so on. In fact, I'm going to 100% recommend it to all of you guys to do the same, just because of the type of product it is. Little story about Rad and Shine. They actually they've been around for about, I want to say 6 months, maybe a year now. They're a fairly new company, but the products that they sell, their website, everything is just so, you know, it's high quality. I'm really happy with it, and I'm excited to try out some other stuff that they have too. I actually do have a wheel cleaner that I'm looking forward to try a little bit more. I tested it out once. I was very happy with it, but it was kind of on a colder day, so I do want to kind of bring it out again once it truly warms up. But yeah, I'm really happy with this product. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a quick clean, you know, just to maybe even wash off the salt. It doesn't hurt. You know, my paint, again, isn't perfect. Again, it needs a paint correction, and there is some smudging. I could have done a little bit better with the buffing, but you guys get the idea. It does a fantastic job cleaning. If you're spot cleaning, perfect. This is the solution. You know, you don't need anything more. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to kind of, like I said, trying out some other products that they have in their line. You know, I will certainly stand by this company, as I've been looking for a detail company to kind of follow, and they have an interior cleaner. I've tried that out, really happy with it. Everything I've tried out, I've been extremely happy with. So, you know, I'm happy to report that you know, there's some high quality and some, you know, proper research and development going into these products. So we'll leave it at that. But I really appreciate you guys so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, or whatever it may be, any suggestions in general, let me know, and I'd be happy to get it going. So thank you to Rad and Shine for providing the product today, and I'm looking forward to making some more videos. We'll leave it at that. Thanks, and have a good one. Peace.